Right now I'm looking outside my window. As you can see, it's snowing pretty heavily out. That's my car over there, the Ski-On. The snow is really piled up on it. Whoa. It's a whole shitload of snow out there, did you guys see? A whole shitload. It is really fucking snowing out there, man. That's the house across the street. You see how the visibility has really, gotten bad. They're predicting about 10 to maybe 14 inches, or around the foot around the Philadelphia area. Right here in Elkins Park, it's pretty bad already.